Hello everyone, I'm currently in Brisbane. I recently got a massive package from Princess Polly. Are you okay there? Getting some biscuits from the fridge. Anyway, I recently got a massive parcel from Princess Polly, so I thought I would do a little try on haul of all of the pieces that I'm bringing to Bali. I am literally obsessed with all of these pieces. I do have a discount code as well for 20% off. I'll leave that on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's Jazz20. You guys know how much I love Princess Polly. Their shipping is so quick and they've got free express shipping on all orders over $50, I'm pretty sure. Let's start off with this set. I am obsessed. So it comes with a pair of shorts and then obviously the matching crochet top. You can wear this in so many different ways. You can wear it with a bikini on underneath. This one is also from Princess Polly. I am obsessed with Burgundy right now. It just fits so well. So you can wear it like this, or you could even do one button up and like wear it a little bit off the shoulder. Tuck vibe. I actually really like that. They fit really well. They're not like an itchy knit. I cannot wait to wear this in Bali. This set screams Bali. So that is the first set that I got. This is the next outfit. I am obsessed with these pants, by the way. They're like a light blue stripe. I've been looking for a pair of pants like this for the longest time. I was so happy when I found them on Princess Polly. I love the little like detailing here that says Princess Polly, and I just paired it with this strapless knit top, which is really comfy, stretchy. Okay, this next outfit is so cute. As you know, I'm not usually a short skirt type of girl, but if you've been to Bali, you guys know how hot it gets there. So I thought I'd pick up this little mini skirt because I've got so many tops that will pair with it. This top I actually have in the cream, and I'm so tempted to jump on and grab them in other colors because this is the comfiest like knit top that goes with literally everything. I've worn my cream one so many times. Yeah, again, not like an itchy knit, just sits really nice and looks so cute with this white skirt. I'm obsessed. Okay, next up, you cannot go wrong with a pair of white like linen pants. These ones actually have a drawstring, so I would recommend sizing down. I did read some of the reviews saying definitely size down in these, just because without the string, this is how big they are, and then you obviously just tighten it with the drawstring. But I ended up getting these ones in a size 10. Super flowy, and yeah, they've got lots of room. And then I just paired it with this basic like contrasted black and white singlet, which again would go with literally anything. I'm all about basics that you can wear over and over again, so I feel like this would be a staple in my wardrobe. Okay, I feel like this outfit is gonna be a bit controversial because one, I'm wearing ballet flats. I feel like you could also dress this up with heels. I'll show you guys that option, but this top, I'm actually gonna wear this exact outfit tonight for Peter's birthday. It is so nice. It's like a satiny chocolate cami. I have actually fastened the back of this top with a safety pin just because it doesn't have adjustable straps, and I probably should have gone down a size. It is very giving. So this one's in a large. I probably should have gotten a medium for a better fit like around my shoulders. But yeah, I've just fastened it with a safety pin at the back so it gives me a little bit more support. But I paired it with this, like, it's not really a midi skirt. I'll put the camera down so you can see. So I've paired it with this skirt. It's not a midi, but it's not a maxi. It's like in between a short skirt and a midi skirt. I always get confused, but it just goes past the knees, and then obviously I paired it with these ballet flats, which is such a vibe. But I'm gonna put some heels on and show you guys what it looks like, which is what I'm gonna wear tonight. By the way, these flats are Princess Polly, these little ballet ones. Peter's steaming my next outfit, bless him. This is the outfit with the heels. I don't know how well you can see, but this is definitely what I'm gonna wear tonight with my brown bag. I am obsessed. Next top I have is this really gorgeous full length tank vibe. It's like a linen blend. It's got a little tie up detail at the back, so you could cinch in the waist if you wanted to make it like skin tight, or if you did want to just like keep it a bit more on the looser side, which is what I'm wearing it as. I love it. Just like a really cute elevated basic. Okay, next outfit. I thought this top was really fun, and obviously it is screaming Bali with the French pennies and the palm trees. I just paired it with this linen skirt. I actually like that it's a little bit longer. I thought it was going to be a bit shorter, but I love that it's got a little bit extra length compared to the other mini skirt that I was wearing. That one was more like a satin going out type material, whereas this one is a linen one. This is such a staple, especially on a summer holiday. I love this top. It's so fun. Okay, I am obsessed with this dress. I actually wore it last night to dinner here in Brisbane because I couldn't help myself and save it for Bali, but this was definitely put aside for Bali. But it is just the perfect throw on maxi. I accessorize with this so you can see the vibe. I've got sunnies, a little bag, and then I've just got these thong sandals on so you can see, but like this just fits so well. It's a linen type material. I feel like it's just like the ultimate throw on dress when you still want to look put together. And it's just really cute, breathable. Like, I love it. I'm going to be wearing it so much this summer, not just in Bali. I think I've got one more outfit left. Okay, I saw this top in the swim section. Yes, this is literally a bikini top. I love that you can wear this as a bikini top, or you can wear it with a skirt like I am. It is so cute. I had to pick it up when I saw it. I don't have anything like it in my swim collection, but it is so different and unique, and I just love the contrast in the black and the white. Okay, this is the last top I have for you guys. It is so nice. It's like a halter neck vibe. It does it with the back, obviously, and then it's got another little like drawstring detail here. Again, I'm still wearing that same skirt. I just feel like I'm going to be wearing the hell out of this skirt in Bali. It goes with absolutely everything. But yeah, there's not really much more to say about this fit. Like, you can't really go wrong with an all white fit. I'm obsessed. But anyway, that concludes the end of my haul. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want me to do these more regularly on my channel. But yeah, don't forget I do have a discount code for 20% off Princess Polly. I will leave all of the products listed down below so it's easier for you guys to find them on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.